rotation. We talked about how IWM was strong. IWM usually consists of those companies which are trying to grow. They're starting from few hundred millions trying to grow to that billion, few billion-dollar companies there as well. But those companies, maybe they are not really that profitable. Maybe they are in a growth phase. They need a lot of money to grow. So yesterday we noticed that what IWM was doing made a big candle. Of course, not only that, all the hard stocks, all these thematic plays, nuclear energy, quantum, batteries, air taxis, robotics, drones, space. Most of those companies don't really make any revenue or don't have any profit. They need a lot of money to grow. That doesn't really matter. When the sentiment is there, those companies will run. Since the start of December, you have seen the money flows. When you browse through these companies, you see them, they are trying to make breakout pattern. They have a big green candle. Yesterday was a big green candle, and a lot of these names, they are trying to reverse. You can also use Ripster Cloud 1 hour. Ripster Cloud 1 hour will also tell you that the trend is changing on a lot of these names. You see that Rocket Lab was bouncing from there, one of our swing ideas. They're curling from the cloud. So the trend is changing. Anything which is green in the market is a small mid cap. So we have all these lists. So I'm browsing through these lists every day and all day, trying to figure out where the money is flowing and where the trend is flowing. At the same time, you will see that the Mag 7s, Netflix, red day, Microsoft, weak, Amazon, red, Apple, red, Google, red. There's no flow in them. Every time there's going to be rotation, some sector is going to be strong. And today, the mid cap, small cap were strong. So when you have a bigger picture analysis on these names, you can see these so-called hard themes are becoming hot again. When you analyze those charts, like for example, HIMS, I posted as a swing idea as well. You see with the support, it's bouncing and it's trying to make a cup and handle and trying to break out of it. You see the charts, you can see the reversal happening and the rotation happening. It was a huge day for the community. We were on top of everything because we planned for it. So IWM, day 2, rate cut. When the rates are low, the mid caps and small caps, they push because they need money to grow. Their rate of interest is low, so they got a cheap borrow and they can grow. So I told the traders, bearish right now, wait to see if we curl or we stay bearish. So you can see that it dipped but then became bullish right here at 10.20 and then it continued to run. So IWM was along. You could buy the calls, it ran from 249 to 252, or you could trade TNA, which is a leverage ETF of IWM. You could buy TNA at 47.40, sell at 49, make a couple grand there, risking $700-800. Same for IWM. You buy $1,000 options. Ripster Cloud's curl here, you get in, breaks out of the yesterday highs, you go and take it all the way up. Same time, it was not the day to trade SPY. You see what this is, the candles you do not trade. There's really no money flowing in there. There's really nothing A plus happening there. SPY QQQ, IWM rotation second day, all the sectors were strong. Quantums, nuclear, space, neo cloud, drones, air taxis, batteries, everything was hot. You pick your few and we didn't short it. Literally anything you picked, you made money. Focus on where the money is flowing. And it's not hard to understand. Review your daily charts, review your weekly chart, do your everyday analysis. What sector is strong?
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.